Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and before we get started, if you are finding my voice a little croaky, please ignore. I'm just coming back from a holidays and my voice is gone completely. I would say I'm still better off right now. However, that temperature was extremely cold. So I'm back at Bangalore, and Bangalore weather is slightly cold but afternoons are a little hot, so kind of adjusting my temperature right now. I don't have any COVID. I have already got my test done, so nothing to worry. It's just that the temperature and the climate change. So any which ways guys, I've talked too much about myself, and yes, I'm gonna show you a haul video today which I'm super excited about because I picked up the bestsellers which I had actually made a wish list before, and I wanted to shop those things and just waiting for them to come on sale. Right now Amazon is having fashion wardrobe sale, so do check out, and I will have all the links mentioned in the description box. You can have all the information down below, and yeah, let's just get started. So the first thing which I'm going to show you, which I picked up from Amazon, is this beautiful sari. So this was one of the bestseller, and it was highly recommended, and I always had it in cart. This was always like little pricier side, like 1600 or something. When I saw this was right now at 800, some discounted price, I wanted to get my hands on. So this is this sari which is all over on Instagram guys. The sari was worn by Deepika Padukone. It's like a pleated crepe material. I don't know what material it is, but it is lightly stretchy sort of a material. If you can see up close here, so you can see here these lines and all. So this is like, you know, kind of a stretchy material. So this is exactly the same piece which you see on the picture. So there is nothing changes, everything is same guys, and it is super beautiful. I really like it. And I also got another Instagram loved, or I would say social media loved dress. Beautiful dress by Harpa, and I saw this dress every time. Most of the time it is out of stock, and if it is in stock then it is, you know, full price, like 1900 rupees. I didn't want to pay that much, so I was waiting for a sale. So right now this is at 650 rupees, which is a great steal guys. If you're looking for a lunch sort of a day dress or something like that, then I would highly recommend this dress. It's beautiful. Moving on, considering this winter season, I got this jacket, and this is a very casual black color jacket. This is how it looks, and it has this white stripe around the sleeves, and it's a very nice casual jacket, I would say. The first one is this earring. The earring which I'm going to show you is one of my favorite because it's perfect for party wear. This is how it looks guys. If you can see, it's blingy, it's super duper beautiful. And the next earring which I got is this, which right now I'm wearing it, and this is super duper beautiful. Then also from Jewel Galaxy I picked up another earring, which is this beautiful statement earring. I absolutely love it. This comes in different colors, but I got this transparent with gold flakes in it. Moving on, I also got a few footwears. Now footwear has to be in my haul because I absolutely love, and I have a huge collection. Do check out my footwear haul video also if you haven't watched. These are the sneakers basically guys. These are white sneakers, but look at these sneakers. They are super duper good. And the last piece which I have are these white sandals, which are beautiful sandals guys, and it comes with this block heel, very comfortable and shoetopia. And yeah, I got size 39. So guys, with that said, I hope you enjoy this haul video. Do let me know which is your favorite product, and yeah, if you want to see more of Amazon haul or any other sort of a haul, comment down in the section. I would love to do that. Till then, I will see you in my next video.